This is Ajit Khan. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to use Vim Editor. Vim Editor is one of the most powerful tools and it has many features and functions that can help us to be more productive. So let's start with Vim. So I assume that you have already installed Vim. So to use Vim, we will use command vi or Vim. So I am in my home directory. Let's create a file, file1.txt. It will open the editor and it is a blank file. So to go into insert mode, that means to write something in the file, you need to press I. Here at the bottom you can see insert mode is on. So we can type anything. We have written 3 lines and we are still in insert mode. That means we can type anything. To get out of it, we can exit in two ways. One way is without saving this file and other way is by saving this file. So we always have two modes. One is insert mode, other is command mode. To exit, we need to enter into command mode. So to enter into command mode, we need to press escape key. So escape key is the way to enter in command mode. So I pressed escape and you can see insert is gone here and we are now in insert mode. That means whatever we type won't be written on the file. Only few keys will enable insert mode. For example, I key will enable insert mode. So now we are in command mode. So to exit the file, we need to type colon, and to save this file with the content, we need to press WQ. That means write and quit and hit enter. Now if we list out the files, we can see file.txt is already there. Now we will open it again, sudo vim and file1.txt. Now it's asking for password since I use sudo command. So here is our file. As you can see, whatever we typed previously is saved in this one. Now I want to move downwards. So either I can use the arrow keys or I can use JKLH. Pressing J will move down, pressing K will move up, and pressing L will move right, and pressing H will move left. So these 4 letters will work in command mode. So by default, whenever we enter into the file, we are in by default command mode. Okay, and what if the page is very long and we need to go at the end of the page? For that, we can use Shift G. So we will directly jump to the last line of the page. Now we are at last line of the page. Now I want that something to be written after this line, the very next line of this current line. So in command mode, O is the key that can give us directly the new line. So when I press O, I am already entered in the insert mode after this line. So now I can directly type. This is the 4th line, this is the 5th line, and so on. We have added 2 more lines. Now I want that these changes should be discarded. While exiting, these changes should not be saved. So I press escape to enter in command mode. The insert is gone again and we are now in command mode. So colon, we won't be using WQ since we don't want to save. So we don't want to write the changes. So we'll simply type Q colon of not asking any questions, so it will directly quit without saving the file. Now if we cat the content, we can see there are only 3 lines. That means the 2 lines which we added is not there. So let's go ahead and enter in the file. Okay, so we are here again and we are again in command mode directly. Now one more feature is there. Suppose I want to go this sample Vim tutorial, maybe a long line, and I want to directly go to the end of the line. So for that I can use shift dollar. So it will directly jump to the last character. Now I can press insert mode and I can start typing. I am on the last letter and I want to go on the start of the line. So again, I need to press escape to go into command mode and shift and cap sign. The sign on the number 6 using shift. So we are at the start of the line. The next functionality we will see is copy paste or the cut paste. We are now in command mode. So I want to copy these last 2 lines and paste them again. Right now in command mode, I can select multiple lines or letters via visual mode. So to enable visual mode, I need to press the key V. V will enable visual mode. You can see visual here. So by moving arrow key, you can select the text, and to directly select till the end of the line, we can use shift dollar, or to go at the start of the line, shift cap. I want that till the end of the file, everything should get selected. So I can use shift G. and again shift dollar. Everything will be selected, and now I can do two things. Either I can cut this content or copy this content. So to copy this content, Y is the key. So after pressing Y, now I need to go at the end of this line. So I will press O. Now I'm again in insert mode directly on the next line, and I'll press escape to go again in command mode, and P is the key to paste again. So what I did is, in visual mode, I select the text using shift G or shift dollar to select the particular line or the particular text, and then I move the cursor where I want to copy the text. I press Y, and then moving out to a particular place where I want to paste the line, then I press P. Always remember, all these keys will work in command mode. So as you can see, these are paste. Let's again cut this text. Now I want to cut the first line and paste it at the end. I'm in the command mode, so press V to select the text and shift dollar till the end of the line, and then I want to cut this text. So D is the key. Using D, I have cut D. Now O, then escape to insert in command mode, and then P. D is to cut, Y is to copy, and P is to paste. So now I want whatever changes I have done till now to not be saved. So to make these changes undo, we have again key, that is U, to undo the changes. So for that also we need to be in command mode. So as you can see, we are already in command mode, and if you are not sure whether you are in command mode or not, so you can press escape again and again. That won't make a difference. Pressing U will one by one do the changes undone. Pressing it again and again and again will leave us to the oldest change. As you can see, already at the oldest change. Again, escape colon right quit, and you are out of the editor. So this is how copy paste work, cut paste work. Now suppose, as we have created this file with sudo permissions, so what if we open the file and we are writing something, this is without sudo, and we are escape colon right quit. So basically this has permitted us, but it doesn't cat file. If there might be a case where the file is owned by the root and we can't access it without sudo, and by default we have opened it without sudo, we have written a lot of text and we want, oh no, we have opened it without sudo and we can't save the changes. So what we can do is press escape colon right exclamation sudo t modulo sign and hit enter, and this will save the content and it will ask you to enter to continue. So press enter. Okay, the changes have been saved and we can quit. So this is all about how to use Vim. I hope you enjoyed the videos.